Every lesson begins with love, and it's that love that nurtures our first steps into the world of learning. Learning is about finding the confidence to go forward without knowing someone believed in us from the start. Sometimes people act differently with us not because they dislike us, but because they care about us deeply. Even in a crowd, when someone notices our state of mind and tries to make us comfortable, it shows their genuine care. In life, there are teachers everywhere, not just in classrooms. Every lesson we learn, whether from our loved ones, our friends, or even a kind stranger, shapes who we become. On this Teachers' Day, let's celebrate all those who teach us, guide us, and help us grow in ways big or small.